Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Coming up on episode 300, that's pretty ridiculous, but what can you do? And today, I've got something I've been kind of lusting after lately, I'll admit. I like the regular one, and I always put cheese on it, but here's the cheese one. So it's cheesy. From South Korea by the people who make the fire noodle. So let's see what we got here for you know. We got dry sachet with soup base, dry sachet with soup powder, and a noodle block. Look at that, like a big yummy cookie. And you drop it in the water. And 500 mils, 4 minutes. There we go, we're off. Off to the races. So what's new with everybody? I think the last episode I did, I was complaining about how much my foot hurt from walking 15 miles. Like a crazed walking maniac. And happy to say it's doing much better. And I'm going to go out and walk this evening. Miles is on spring break. Woo! So he doesn't go to school in the morning. And yeah, so I got to do my walking when my wife gets home. This is a Monday. And kind of got some bummer news. I was going to be going to Taiwan. I was really stoked on it. And the people that were going to bring me over, it just didn't work out. So that was going to be in June. I'm just bummed, you know. It's like a big part of this whole exercise crap that I've been doing was preparation for that. You know, I wanted to be like fit, and I wanted to be able to have the best time I could possibly have over in Taiwan. But I mean, I ended up with like being healthier, so I can't really say like, man, I wasted my time doing that. It's like, no, I'm pretty stoked. I'm just gonna keep doing it, whatever. So yeah. But that's all I got to say about that. I won't go into who it was or whatever. But yeah, just kind of bummed. Yeah. And in other news, I'm thinking of doing a couple quick one-off shows. Excuse me. One being one with Miles and one being one with Mimi. I was thinking it'd be kind of cool. I mean, he's done so many spicy noodle mukbangs and unboxing times and all that. It's like, I should do a show of him, you know, and us playing with Daniel Tiger Junk and Legos and Thomas Trains. I know you're probably thinking like, leave me out of this. But sorry, you're gonna have to watch it. It'll be fun. Everybody loves Miles. Everybody loves Mimi. Mimi's, man, she is definitely knee deep in the terrible twos. It's pretty epic. I don't know how else to pronounce or to say it. She's 2 years old and what, about 2 1/3. Man, when she doesn't get her way, she is all about the throw down, knock down, drag out tantrum from hell. It's our sassy little beastie girl. She gets all that from her mother, let me tell you. Not me. No, not me. I wasn't that way. I was mild-mannered. Very mild. 30 seconds to go. Yeah. So at this point, the top 10 is definitely out. and it didn't do so well. I don't know why. I guess I didn't market it as well as I should have. But if you like the top 10 list, tell all your friends and share it on social media. Send it to all your news agencies. It's pretty good. All the stuff on the list is pretty dang good, that's for sure. Alright. Let's sizz. What time is it? It's sizzing time. So here's the soup. And they both sachets do have cheese elements in it. I know, I can't. I want to say one of the parts of it was cheddar, but it's like cheddar, camembert, and Gouda in this stuff. Like, really? Gouda? When I did the pictures, they sent me a 5-pack, so when I did the pictures, I had all these leftovers and stuff of the sachets from in my little pinch bowls. And I put it over popcorn, and it was like, wow, this is kind of smoky. That would be from the Gouda, I'm guessing. So let's see here. Come on. Yeah, it definitely smells smoky. I don't know, is camembert smoky? I don't know. It's funny, I got a comment today. Somebody said, like, the ramen raider is a white guy that uses a fork like he's eating spaghetti. Huh. I was like, yep, it's true. Anyways, that looks good. I had this before. When was the last time I was like sick? I was like, oh my god, it's here and I have to have it. So here's the broth. Yes. Definitely smoky. Got a nice kick to it. Not ultra spicy, but spicy enough, you know. The one thing it doesn't have, though, that the Samyang ramen has is a flake sachet with vegetables. Wow. That is lovely stuff. That, I just want to eat all of it. I've been like torturing myself with the concept of just like eating all these noodles. It's like, no. Okay, come on, back up a little bit and stop. Alright, so here is the noodle and broth. Oh, look at that. There they are. Little funky things in there. Let's see if I can get them out. They're like little cheese things. Let me see. Whoop. Come back, little cheese thing. Maybe it's fish cake. It is. It's fish cake. And it's in the soup-based sachet of all places. Usually that would be found in a flake sachet. Kind of interesting. Alright, so they mentioned some garnish options. This is, and you're gonna be like, what? This is ham flavored. So what am I gonna put in it? Ham. You got it right. First try. I'm impressed. So there's some ham. Uncured diced ham. some onion. And finally, a little pepper flake. And I think that is a good way to do today. All right, ready, set? And here we go. Well, cool, man. I think the ham is bad, so that'll kind of preclude me from eating the whole bowl. I needed something to make it so I wouldn't eat the whole bowl. Yeah, I think the ham is bad. It smells kind of funny. It's uncured. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.